Hi guys, my name is Jean and the name of my channel is JeanHomeDecorNMore. Welcome. As y'all can see, I got my Eagles hat on. Today is October the 1st. We just beat the Commanders, but this is Quick and Easy Meals. Quick and Easy Meals is hosted every Sunday. It's an open invite collaboration. It's hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Deborah Cabassa Home Living, Buckeye Girls Wreaths and Things, and myself, JeanHomeDecorNMore. Y'all can hear that football in the background because now Dallas is playing the Patriots, and I gotta watch Dallas because they're in the NFC East with the Eagles. So I'm all over the place, guys. I'm just so excited because we won, so just hang in there with me. So look, I'm getting a late start with my dinner today because that game today was like a nail biter, okay? So I'm making shrimp and rice and peas, or peas and rice and shrimp, okay? So got a little bit of a late start, but the reason why I selected this meal is because it is quick and easy. I have a recipe over there, but this one is so super easy, I really don't need a recipe. I'm gonna take you off the camera. I'm gonna show you what's in, what I'm putting in for the ingredients, and it's really quick. So I'll come back to you as I'm going through the meal. Okay, so hang in there with me, guys. Okay, guys, here are the ingredients for peas and rice and shrimp. So of course we have a shrimp, and I'm gonna add these frozen peas at the end. And I have 2 cloves of garlic. I have cut up some red onion. My husband doesn't like a lot of onion, so I did a little onion, and green pepper. In the rice, I cook the rice with chicken broth, not water. And these are some of the seasoning I'm going to use. I'm not sure which one of these 3 salts I'm going to use. Most likely I'll use the kosher salt. Not going to use all of them. And then I'll use parsley and perhaps chives, either one of those at the end. And I'm going to stir fry my shrimp in avocado oil. So these are the ingredients. So I will bring you back in a little while as I am preparing. As you can see, I already started the rice, okay? And so hang on in there with me, guys. Oh, look at this. Hello, fall. Okay, so to this I'm gonna add a little bit more avocado with my fan on. So I'm sauteing this green pepper, garlic, and red onion. And these are the seasonings I have settled with thus far. I have seasoned up my shrimp, and I'm going to pop that in just a minute. Keep watching. So I wanted to say one more thing about this recipe, guys. I'm using yellow rice, saffron yellow rice, but you don't have to use this. You can use jasmine rice or basmati rice. I think that's the way you pronounce it. But in any event, you can use, I guess, Uncle Ben's white rice, any type of white or any type of rice that you prefer. I just happen to like this rice, okay? This is my favorite. Pass the peas like we used to. Pass the peas like we used to. Remember Cam said that on Martin? Okay, I mixed my peas in with my saffron rice. And so I'm going to put it all together, guys. Keep watching. Okay, guys, here is the final reveal. We have shrimp and rice and peas. I had some leftover salmon from yesterday. I made a nice salad for the both of us. So this is what we're having for dinner tonight. Quick and easy. It was quick and easy, guys, because I'm trying to watch the game while I'm cooking. And then I got a late start, from watching the Eagles game. So on Sundays, you're kind of rushing because you're rushing around trying to get different things done. And so, it's important for me to do a quick and easy meal and a healthy meal. And that's what this is. So until the next time, I hope you guys have an amazing day. If you like these types of videos, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you join my channel. Give me a big thumbs up if you like this meal. And, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Okay? And again, Quick and Easy Meals are hosted every Sunday at 7 p.m. So it's an open invite collaboration. If you would like to participate, please join in. I will post all of the ladies' links in the channel. In the description box down below. And it's Quick and Easy Meals 23. Okay, until the next time, bye-bye.